You can have a roll in that snow, baby boy. Yeah. Dogs, come away, leave him. Look at that snowing. Oh, look at that big fat dummy. Oh, look at that. Is that a nice baby? Yeah. Whoa. Is that a nice baby? You gonna go down again? You having another go? See, don't come over this side. It's a bit more snow here.
Oh. Lay down.
Is it good? Harvey, you cold? Hello. They'll be in the shed. If you want to. Ha, missed. Oh, this bum. What are they doing to you, Spud?
You only bought like soldiers together. I just. You didn't do anything standard. No. Expected to have fun. Yeah. Not having eaten it.
Is it nice? Have a look.
Get Harvey.
Thank you, Caleb. You gonna go back in now, sweetie pies? Hello, beautiful. Boo! 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 Go on, get Baker. Go on, get him. Come on. Yeah! Get Juzzy. Get Juzzy. Get Jackie. Go on, get him. Go on, Bakes. He's gonna get you. Watch Baker's face when you throw a snowball at him. It looks like he's going to charge at you.
Oh, shit, you're dead. Get on it, Jack.
You know, the snowball was nearly bigger than him. You thought you were going to play with him then? No?
Who's going to get it? It's football. No, it's not. It is.
Don't look at the size of it. Oh.
Snowballs across each yard. Harvey.
I want Baker to stop bucking and rearing.
Harvey.